Alright. I did a kind of a review on my deduction kit not too long ago. That kind of inspired me to do a everyday carry kit. And some of you seemed interested in that, so it's not a huge video that I'm doing today, but it's a basic video to explain the things that I carry on me every day, no matter what I'm wearing, where I'm going, what I'm doing. These are the things that I will inevitably always have on my person. To begin, I will start with the basics. Everyone has a simple wallet. This one is a bit telling about me. Basic use, you can tell it's worn out a little bit. It's got some curve to it. That's the caffeine molecule. Pretty basic. I also keep at all times at least one pen and notebook on me. I know Jordan at Art of Deduction, he will swear by the notebook. I agree with him. You never leave home without a notebook, and notebooks are pretty useless if you don't have a pen on you. I've gone through in the last 2 years at least 3 notebooks full of just notes on deduction, video ideas, scripts, everything. A Mind Palace is great, works brilliantly, but notebooks are irreplaceable. My keyring, pretty basic, just what I need on me. Don't want to get too good a view of that. I know the keys can be duplicated from pictures now. Pepper spray. I am a be prepared for anything type situation, so I have this on hand at all times. I also have a taser, but I don't carry it with me at all times. These actually do have expiration dates. Not a lot of people know that. Then I try to be multi-purpose in everything that I do. So everything I carry has multiple purposes. Of course, I have my phone, which I'm recording with right now. Or else I'd show that as well. But my watch, I always keep a watch on me. This is a Moto 360 smartwatch. I have non-tech watches, basic watches, analog watches, pocket watches even, that I'll wear instead of smartwatch every now and then. But my smartwatch tends to be my go-to. This one uses military time opposed to a standard 12-hour rotation. One of my very first tip videos, in fact it may be my first tip video that I ever made on the channel, I talk about keeping track of the exact hour and minute of the day, not just looking at the clock and rounding the number, and how that helps you to pay attention to details. Even better if you can get a hold of something that tells military time, because then you have to kind of decipher the time as well as read it off basic. Plus, this is utilitarian in the fact that it can do basic things like set timers, stopwatches, basic internet searches, very irreplaceable. And then, speaking of utilitarian, I have my bracelet. This is just a paracord bracelet. Paracord is brilliant. This is a multi-purpose bracelet. You can just search these on the internet. Very easy to find. There's a couple that are actually better designs than this. This is a 5-purpose bracelet. Obviously there's a paracord, which you can do anything with. There's a whistle, there's a fishing hook, there's the compass. And then underneath the compass there used to be a secret compartment for storing small items, SD cards, things like that. I actually super glued my compass in place because over time the compartment got loose, worn out, and the compass kept falling out. So I super glued it in to prevent that from happening. And then a knife, irreplaceable. I have a Swiss Army knife. This is the Deluxe Tinker pocket knife, Swiss Army. That means that it has pretty much everything you could possibly need in a pocket knife. It's got screwdrivers of multiple capacities, a multi-purpose hook, threading tools, 2 knives, pliers, tweezers, scissors. This also has wire cutter, wire stripper, wire crimper. It has bottle opener, can opener, toothpick. Very utilitarian. Possibly one of my best purchases ever. Those are the basic everyday carry. I try to carry things that have multi-purpose. That way you can carry minimum items on you, but be prepared for any circumstances. I keep a few other what they call bolt bags. That's something that you stash in your car or in a hiding spot that you can get to easily and run with. That's kind of what the idea behind my deduction kit is, my mobile lab. It's designed like a bolt bag, but it has everything I need for deduction or lab experiments in it to be grabbed and taken on the way, on the go. The reason I made this video, I know it's not very deduction based, but I'm doing the lab series, which is more universal than just deduction, and this is kind of goes into the idea of being prepared for any situation. Deductionists like to think ahead, which is kind of why I guess I'm setting an example of being prepared and setting, showing what I'm prepared for, I suppose. So this is going to be kind of an installment in my lab series. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching and have a good day.